Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2020 Modern Classics set. Modern Classics is a series that Hot Wheels first did in 2008. In 2017, the series got the premium treatment to the car culture line. You can check out my video on these in the link below. This set is the second car culture Modern Classics set. These are always a hit with collectors, so I'm sure we will see more in the future. So the cars in the set are the Honda Civic EG, the 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version, the Nissan Silvia S14, the Volkswagen Jetta MK3, and the 72 Mercedes-Benz 280 SEL 4.5. I want to give a huge shout out to my buddy Diecast58 for grabbing this set for me. So the first car is a Honda Civic EG. So here's a card. The detailing is really good. You can train in the back. On the back, it just shows the cars in the set. So this car has a Hello Kitty design on it. So here's a face and the side. I'm pretty sure these are Japanese letters. Black rims. It says Hello Kitty. And the bow on the top. And this is a pretty cool car. And then they also made this car one time before in the Fast Tuners set. Ryu Sada designed this, and this is the first time we have seen Hello Kitty on any car. We will see more Hello Kitty deco on 2021 Hot Wheels. So next up is a 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. So here's the card. And let's open this up. So this car is a dark blue and these gold rims. It says Subaru as a license plate. And the backlights. The front right here, the headlights. And they've also made this car 3 times before. One has a mainline in blue, almost the same thing, but we'll compare those later. A red version, and a Zamac version. So let's compare the 2 blue ones. So the wheels are of course different. The color's a little bit different. The mainline has a little bit of a darker color. The front looks the same. And same with the back, but the license plate says Subaru and then this one's a Hot Wheels. And the premium has a black base, and of course this would have a plastic. So there's some differences, but not that big of a difference. This is the first time we have seen this car as a premium, and Ryu Sada designed this car. So the next car is a Nissan Silvia S14. So this car is fully white, no tampos, black rims, and so far this looks really clean. Metal base, backlights, and the license plate. It says Nissan right here as a logo. And this is a pretty nice car. We have seen this car in the original Fast and Fast Tuners set. Mark Jones and Jimmy Liu designed this. So the next car is the Volkswagen Jetta MK3. So right now, this car reminds me of the Audi Super for this year. But it also is red in the backlights, Volkswagen logo, star rims in gray, and then the front lights. And then here's the Audi Super Treasure Hunt. It just has a darker color, but still looks pretty close to the same. So the back and front, of course, are a lot different. Mark Jones designed this, and we have seen it in the original Fast set and Fast and Furious Collector set. So the last car is a 72 Mercedes-Benz 280 SEL 4.5. So this car is fully black, then the gray outline on the car, pretty cool rims, and the front. And some people might like this car, but I'm just not a fan of it. This is a new casting and was designed by Mark Jones. I'm sure we will see it again in the future. They also did an amazing job on the interior for this car. So my favorite car is a Nissan Silvia. It just looks really clean in my opinion with the white and black. Then behind it would definitely be the Civic. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And tell me your favorite cars out of this 2020 Modern Classics Car Culture set.